How to change a folder icon to a picture. This tutorial shows you how to customize it using an image of your choice. First, right-click on the folder you want to customize on your computer. From there, click Properties. After that, click the Customize tab at the top of the window. At this point, click Change Icon. Following this, click Browse, since the default icon list won't include your own images. From here, navigate to the picture you want to use and select it. Keep in mind, the file needs to be saved as an ICO file for this to work properly, so if your image is a regular JPG or PNG, you'll need to convert it to ICO first using a free online converter. At this stage, once you've selected your converted ICO file, click Open. Following this, click OK to apply the new icon. From here, click Apply, then OK again to close out of the folder properties. Once applied, that folder will display your custom image instead of the default folder icon. That's how you change a folder icon to a picture. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!